Hello everybody and welcome to another video on this channel. And yep, this time it's another unboxing and it's a phone unboxing again. And yeah, this time we've got something new. It's the new Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro and we're gonna unbox this right now. So before unboxing and tearing off all of this clear stuff, let's see what's on the box. So out here, nothing really interesting. I mean, India's #1 brand, smartphone brand, Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro by Xiaomi, and the pictures of this thing, Redmi 6 Pro. Yeah, so here we have the Redmi 6 Pro gold color, which is this one. 4 GB, 64 gigs, and you can just pause your video if you want to read this. Redmi 6 Pro. Yeah, so we've got 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera. So that is 5.84-inch FHD plus screen, which has got a 19:9 full screen display. Well, that's a unusual ratio. 4000 milliampere hour battery. Let me just get the sorry about that. We got a Snapdragon 625. And what else do we have? No, nothing else. So let's just get to unboxing. Tear this up. Wait a minute, second. Got this. Oh shit! Open up over. Put that aside. Yeah. So do not accept. Seal is broken. We're gonna tear this up right now. Let's open the box. Open up. Okay, so that's the phone. We're gonna take it out. Let me just start this thing. Yep, and remove this, whatever this is. Okay, it's a bit difficult to remove. Yeah, got that removed. Now let this thing start up. Till then, let's see what's there in the box. Out here, what do we have? We have a case, a clear plastic case. Okay, well that was fast. But let's see what else do we have. So this is a regular clear plastic case, nothing pretty interesting about that. And here we have the manual basically, and the warranty card and other stuff. Yup, and here we have the regular OTG or USB to micro USB or whatever, nothing interesting. And the power brick got come out. Yeah, so those are the specifications. You can just pause the video and read it. Xiaomi regular, and ejector tool right there. And the thing is, Xiaomi does not give any earphones like Oppo for the Realme 2. I don't think they have given any earphones of any sort or anything. Okay, so let's get this thing started. So I'm gonna set up the phone right now, and yeah, we'll come back to the video. Okay, so we've done the complete setup and it's loading apps. So by the time it's loading apps, let's just talk about the body a bit. So the body is basically a metal finish with a fingerprint at the back. Now it's got a dual camera with a flash in the between. It's a 12 MP plus a 5 MP AI camera. Good thing it's got a jack, headphone jack. It's got an IR blaster. It's got the wait a second. It's got the SIM trays out here, and the speakers are down here with a regular micro USB cable jack. The power button is out here, and the volume up and volume down are also out here on the same side which is the right side, and the screen is pretty big. It's a 9 to 19, I mean 19 to is to 9 ratio, which is, I don't know, a bit quite unusual in phones these days, which is, I don't know, it's a bit different. And it's a notch display, as you can see. I think you can remove the notch, but I'm just gonna try it. So we've got the setup complete, and yeah, the phone's just started. So the back, okay, we got it. So this is the phone, and the back is out here on the right side, the home on the center, and the recent items thing is out here. Yeah, so let's see, what do we do. Let's try out the speed of the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so by the way, this thing does not have a face lock, like a built-in face lock like the Realme 2, but this of course has the Google face lock. So we're gonna try the fingerprint scanner right now. Wow, that was pretty fast. That is pretty fast. You can see it's, I don't know, even less than, it's pretty fast. I can give that to you. Okay, well, very good. Now let's check out the camera of the phone. Allow everything. Yeah. Okay, let's take some pictures right now. Let's take a picture of this, and we're gonna see how the picture and how the photo performs. Let's also take a portrait mode. Portrait mode blurs the background and brings out the people in the front. That's okay. Let's take a picture of this. Just put it out here. Move farther from the object. Depth effect. Okay, so you can see it's blurring out this part. I was a bit sorry about that. Depth effect. That was fast. And how about the photo? Yeah, just a regular picture. Pretty good. Let's check out the photos that we have. Oh. More pictures. Yeah, you can pretty much zoom in a lot. Yeah, it's a very good display. It's a 1080p display, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just go to the settings and check out all of the about phone. Yeah, it's got an 8.1.0 RAM, 4 gigs, internal storage 64 GB, but you get 53.14 available. Status, okay. So that is, so those were the specs for the phone. Let's try out YouTube a bit. YouTube's my favorite, definitely. I mean, I can't live without YouTube. Screen ratio issues. This app is allowed to run in full screen mode. That's okay. Not now, we're gonna update it later. Try app lock, we're gonna do that later, sorry about that. Let's go to my channel, of course. Choose a keyword, English. Confirm. Agree. So let's check out this unboxing that we had a few days ago. So how does the notch perform? Yeah, the notch is cut out, so you can pinch. So that's the original, and it's a bit, it's not fitting into the screen, and you can fit it like that. Let's go a bit professional, if that's the right word. So this time let's try out the speakers, how the speakers perform. For that, let's, which one do we go for? Wait a second. Let's try some cool stuff. And yeah, playlists. Go to this one, play, which one? this one. So let's see how the speakers perform. Okay, that was weird. YouTube just crashed. I don't know, it also happened on the Realme. I don't know.